Hey pals, this is John with the Lens Pal, and we're here today to show you how to take footage from any camera and turn it from this into this. Hi pals, John and Kelvin from the Lens Pal here. As we mentioned in the title, we're going to show you how to take footage out of any camera and turn it into something spectacular. As you can see from my B-roll, Kelvin is using a Canon SL3 with the 18-55 kit lens. He's using the onboard mic to record what I'm saying right now, which is going to be the first thing we're going to improve. So the first thing we've done, and you can probably see the change on the camera Kelvin's using, is that we've added a Sennheiser AVX wireless mic system. I think my lapel mic is just slightly out of shot. Maybe if I sit up tall, you'll be able to see it right here. And hopefully you can tell the immediate improvement in audio quality that we're getting out of this system. It's quite the upgrade to the onboard microphone. Okay, so as you can see from my B-roll, we're still using the lav mic, and hopefully you can hear that through your speakers as well. And you should have noticed a pretty significant change in the visual in this shot. What we've done here is we've added the Aputure Storm 300D light set. It's just in front of me here. So that last shot with the Aputure 300D left some shadow on this side of the face. So what we've done this time is we've added in a reflector, but as you can see on the main footage, it's filled in the shadow on this side of my face. So we've turned it essentially from a single light setup into a two light setup with a nice contrast ratio between the two. So the fourth and final step in this process is to change out the lens. We've switched from the Canon 18-55 EFS lens, which has a maximum wide open aperture of 4.0, to the Sigma Art 50mm f1.4 lens. We're able to shoot wide open with this lens, which has given a sense of depth to the footage, separating me from the background. Thanks for watching, pals. I've been John, Kelvin's been behind the camera. Remember, if you are interested in any of the equipment that we've talked about today, or would like any advice on lighting setups, please feel free to visit us at www.thelenspal.com. And in the meantime, feel free to like, share, and subscribe.